Here we go, K2. But that rock is just a straight drop off. That's K2, I believe. Holy cow, that's awesome. Back on knife's edge on the way there. Quick quote of the day for y'all. Very easy, everybody would do it. Just remember. Me climbing down Capitol Peak. Freaking awesome. Insane. Staying on the ridge this time because it looks a little easier. But we freaking rocking and rolling. Just let's go. It's knife's edge right here. Came from Capitol Peak. Here's the lake down there. That's where I came from. Buddies are right there right now. Capitol Peak right behind me. Oh, she's a legend.